How long can you record with GoPro Hero 10 Black without a battery inside, using either a power bank or external power supply? So the battery is the main source of heat within the camera, and GoPro Hero 10 Black struggles with overheating when it comes to recording over long periods of time. Nowadays, there's plenty of accessories such as, for example, camera grips, selfie sticks, power banks, or even gimbals that can help you record a video or time-lapse without a battery inside of your camera. At first, I wanted to use a power bank to record this video, but you need to have 5V to A power output to run your camera without a battery inside of it. So in this video, I'm going to remove a battery from a camera and test overheating on the GoPro Hero 10 Black using a wall charger from GoPro called Supercharger. So I'm going to do 4 different tests, and I'm going to record in 5K 60 and 30 frames per second, 4K 30 frames per second, and 1080p 60 frames per second. So let's take a look at the results. Okay, so we almost reached 1 hour and 30 minutes mark, and GoPro Hero 10 Black is still recording. And during this test, after like 1 hour, I had to unfortunately clear the space on my micro SD card as I simply ran out of space on it. GoPro Hero 10 Black after 1 hour 30 minutes continues to record, and let me quickly check how hot it is. So after 1 hour and 30 minutes, it's like 39 degrees hot. It just depends where I scan it. It's definitely not overheating, even though I've been recording for like 1 hour and 30 minutes. At some point this camera gonna run out of space on micro SD card, but let's see how far can it go. Okay, so we almost reached the 2-hour time of our recording, and GoPro Hero 10 Black continues to record. I'm pretty sure that soon I'll run out of the space on my micro SD card, So I'll just quickly check the temperature. I guess 2 hour time is gonna be enough for you, so at this point I'll stop this test. Okay, so we just reached 2 hours and 30 minutes of recording time, and GoPro Hero 10 Black continues to record. At some point I ran out of the space on my micro SD card, so I had to delete it, but it just took me like 1 minute, maybe 2 at most, so it didn't take that long. So I think that the results speak for themselves. Obviously, the battery is the main source of heat within this camera. And that's one of the main reasons why I decided not to use a battery in this test, as recording and charging at the same time would simply melt that camera to the ground due to the heat. So if you want to have extended recording time with your GoPro, please be aware that you need to have at least 5V to A power output to be able to run your camera without a battery inside. I didn't test high frame rates, such as for example 120 and 240 frames per second, because I think that you probably would not need such high frame rates for an hour or two of recording time. Anyway guys, I think that for today's video that's it. So what do you think about it? Let me know about it in the comment section below, and as I said, for today that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it and you enjoyed it and you learned something from it. And if you did, then all I can ask you is to give this video a thumb up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't before, smash the notification button so you don't miss some of my future content, and see you guys in the next one.